today I'll be making a video. Oh yes, this video is done. Okay, welcome to the video. Here I'll be saying, I'll be telling you all my cats inside the battle cats. You probably heard this a lot in my channel. I played this like 2 times, and today I'll be playing more for the bonus round. It means the bonus is at the end. So make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing and watch till the end to find a bonus of them. Okay, so here is my regular cats. I have the macho cat, which is a max level 10. The wall cat, max level 10. Brave cat, max level 10. Sexy legged cat, max level 10. Giraffe cat, max level 10. UFO cat, max level 10. I have a lot of them like max level 10, but these are just all the ones at max level 10. Whale cat, max level 10. Lizard cat, level 8. Titan cat, level 5. And that's just all the cats I have. What about my special cats? Of course, I have the cat god, the ninja frog cat, which is max level 10. Sumo cat, which is level 8. Samari cat, which is level 9. Zombie cat, which is level 5. Cat in a box, which is level 7. Oh, this is not the cat. Beans cat is level 2. And Titi, which is other cat I use. That's level 4. Level 4. And that's just all the special cats I get. I haven't even unlocked what's rare and I haven't even unlocked like rare. I just only have special cats since it's just my first time downloading it. Okay, time for the bonus. You can also see my new cats. I also unlocked CT here. It's like the 321. I've noticed all these cats are bad for a little while, more badder than last time, like 2021, where I didn't even discover battle cats. Like, that's what's actually the story of how I just downloaded the game. But in Chatkick, I saw my mom undownloaded it, so I just downloaded it back. Oh, also need to go to the toilet. Oh, I mean. Okay, I'm back. Okay, fire. Oh, got it. Bean cat. I'm a sexy lady's cat. Oh my god. You would tell me in the comments because I was just now like going to a door, so I wasn't knowing like did all my cats just got disappeared or something, because of course everything will disappear at the end. The song. I mean the upper all at the end. Oh, hope else we're gonna win because I haven't even won for a while. Oh, you got TP cat. Oh, got a cat. Okay. That's really my second time doing this. Oh, sexy ladies cat. $6.95. Oh, I'm checking the UFO cat. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, Titi cat. And it's like the frog cat. The ninja frog cat, which is a special cat. Okay, I'll just keep using the ninja frog. Because why not? We haven't even used that yet. Oh, since my about other bean cat didn't even hear. Oh my god. We're trying to defeat the gorilla. I know a pig too. So that is still in the rarest one. That you can only get. Oh. I just like to do that random. Okay, we got victory! We got victory! Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you see here, I'm just tapping for good. So if you just pause the video and read one of the cat's messages if you like. And for now, goodbye.